Hi all. Let's talk about market Nifty and BankNifty analysis of today, which is 10th of November. If we see, yesterday we talked about a RSI negative divergence, and we told that there was a last minute selling, and it was kind of bearish sign. We should have gone for bearish position, provided there was no events lined up in US. And if you see, it opened gap down, and after that we talked about also that if it goes below previous day low, day before yesterday low, and breaks the monthly VWAP, then we can see some selling pressure. And if you see, we can look at the 5-minute chart as well, but it's quite evident that after that we had a selling pressure. And considering the US CPI is now pretty much better, and so an US market is significantly up, we are expecting a huge gap up tomorrow. Probably it will open around 18416, and there can be a huge short covering as well, because there will be a lot of call writing in the system and they will run for cover. So if wait for first 5 to 10 minutes, if futures are trading above VWAP, then it would be good advice to take a future long position till next supply zone, which is all time high at 18 around 18600. And we can move to Bank Nifty daily chart. Bank Nifty daily chart is this, and we talked about it that it should take support at 41500, which is a day before yesterday low and VWAP, and below that there would be some selling pressure. Bank Nifty took support exactly at that place and went up, and we had a resistance around 42,000. So it was kind of formed a bullish candle, but uh, still we can expect a huge gap up tomorrow, and it will be all time high. So at all time high there will not be any previous supply zone or anything, so there can be a significant short covering tomorrow. But take a bullish position only if the options are trading above VWAP and the future is trading above VWAP. Otherwise, don't take it. There can be some gap up and selling also, and it can be a bit of range bound as well. And we go to the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, as we talked about it, day before previous day low, we saw some selling in Nifty, and it was a kind of bearish, and then at the end we had some pullback. 18,000 is a very strong support, and it worked very well for Nifty. And if we look at Bank Nifty again, this 41,500, day before yesterday low, and also VWAP at around same, monthly VWAP at around same area. So it provided a very good support, and it closed almost at daily high, or it's a close at high position with a good volume. So and tomorrow there will be gap up, and after gap up, don't immediately get into a position. Wait for first 5 or 10 minutes, close above VWAP, then go for a long position. I think the bull is back now, because there are a lot of concern about inflation, which is now over, because as per the data, the worst is over now. So Fed may not have 75 bps rate hike in December, and it will be kind of 50 or 25 maybe, and it will wait at that level to see if inflation is cooling down, and if so, then they may decrease rate, but that will come later. If there is impact on the growth, then only they will do it. Otherwise they will wait till inflation cools down significantly. And another one, yesterday we talked about bearish divergence. So bearish divergence is it's not means it's not necessarily that market cannot go up. It can go up, and it's just like to be cautious. If you're already on a long position, it's prudent to book it or hedge it. So that's why bearish divergences help. So we'll see tomorrow. Hopefully there will be gap up and we can take some long positions and see. Okay, thanks everyone.